Hi, I'm Dr. Brian McKay of Core Health in Darien. I want to demonstrate for you today laser for low back pain. First, we're going to prep the patient with an alcohol pad. I'm going to clean off the back, the area. This is a low back case, so we're going to be focusing on the lumbar area. Okay? So once we clean off, sterilize that area, I'm going to go over to the laser over here. I'm going to use a lumbar, let's go large. Okay. And now, what you see is how powerful this laser is. You can see that. And what the laser does is it emits photons, which are packets of energy, into the area, and the water molecules, those tiny little water molecules, will respond by increasing microcirculation. So let's get right down to it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the sound head over the affected area where the tissue's causing the pain or is damaged. So if you've got a bulging disc or a herniated disc, this is a phenomenal way to add additional pain relief. Now, Core Health, what we do is a little differently, is we use spinal decompression to work and decompress the disc. We're going to move this nice and slowly. We don't want to move, if we go too slow, it will burn. This is hot. So we go along the lumbar vertebra, center of the spinal canal, off to the side by the layman and the mammillary processes, and the rectus spinae muscles. And the treatment is incredibly comfortable. There's no pain at all whatsoever. And it usually, people will see, typically after the third visit, a pretty significant improvement with their pain. Even chronic pain will respond. Now the laser does a lot more than just stimulate the water molecules. It helps produce ATP. Now in the cells you have mitochondria. The mitochondria are the powerhouse for the cells, which produce adenosine triphosphate, and this ramps up the production of adenosine triphosphate. Now if I'm talking and being a little too complicated with my description, well, the best way to think about a laser is as photosynthesis. You're using light energy to achieve something within the body. So we're using the low-level laser light therapy, again, not just to stimulate production of the ATP and the water molecules for microcirculation. What we're also trying to do is offer, very simply, pain relief. So if you can understand the concept of photosynthesis, that light, we're using light energy to accomplish our goals on the cellular level. Now, as you can see, there's really no pain involved. We're barely touching the surface of the skin. The skin's been prepped, and we do this for approximately another minute and a half. Laser's been used for years in Europe, and it's only gaining popularity in the last 10 to 15 years here. Chances are if you go to a veterinarian's office, you're going to find them using lasers on pets. So it's very, very safe, and typically the patient's going to feel an improvement almost immediately. So when you use laser therapy in addition to spinal decompression and chiropractic adjustments, you're going to have a much more positive result long term, because if you were just to take pain medication, yes, you'll get out of pain, but at the same time too is you still have the underlying problem, so it allows for the degeneration. So if you don't heal that disc properly, you're going to have advanced degeneration. So it becomes, you set yourself up for a chronic back problem that will lead to more and more problems down the road, because if your back is bad, it's more difficult for you to exercise. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out. I'll leave my phone number at the end. And if you got a back pain and you want to see about getting some results, come on in. Let us examine you. Once again, Dr. McKay, thank you very much.
So if you're interested in trying laser for your back pain, I invite you to stay on, listen to what this nice lady has to say.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you've learned some valuable information. I want to share with you a very special offer from Dr. McKay. It is really simple. All you need to do is click the special offer tab. You will go to our homepage and you will see me pop up with all of the details. I'm certain you're going to like what you hear. So click the special offer tab and look for me on the homepage. You'll be glad you did. Thanks.